So now what we're going to do is implement Google Analytics and then Google Search Console, which will allow us to submit the website to Google to start generating organic traffic. We are also going to submit the website to Bing Webmaster Tools. If you are in the back end of your dashboard and you click on the Google menu link, you will be taken to the initial screen for implementing Google Analytics. But the first thing that we're going to want to do is to create our Google Analytics account. You can do that by going to analytics.google.com, and we can click on Start Measuring. And the new account name is going to be Price or Site for us, but you will want to label it whatever the name of your primary website is. And we will subscribe to those updates. And we're going to click Next. And the first property that we are going to create is going to be the priced camping website. We're actually just going to do pricedcamping.com, the URL of the domain. We are on New York time, currency US dollar, and for the advanced options, we also want to create a universal analytics account, and we are just going to copy and paste our domain name in here, out the HTTPS and the /, and we want to create both Google Analytics 4 and Universal Analytics property. You can click Next. Going to select the category of shopping. Just check all these boxes. Click Create Bottom, and we accept the terms of service. And so this is going to bring up the screen that verifies that our web property has been set up. And you can enable any of these email communications. You can go through their wizard. And we're going to skip this step for right now. And for all the initial settings, we can leave them the same. So one of the things that we will want to do is we'll want to switch over to the Universal Analytics. Do that by clicking there, and then you've got pricecamping./GA4, and then you've got the pricecamping.com. Click on all website data, and then if you come over to the demographics tab and click on overview, you'll want to go ahead and enable the demographics. Now we can come back over to our website, and if we go to the Google tab, we're going to want to check this box to say we do want to set up Google Analytics as part of the setup process, and we'll go ahead and sign in with Google, and we're going to want to go ahead and enable all the management for the 6 different services, and then we can click continue, and it is going to ask us to verify our analytics account with a HTML tag. You can just click next and turn on metrics in your dashboard. We'll go ahead and click allow, and next we're also going to want to set up Search Console. So we're going to want to start so we want to click on Start Now when we get to Google Search Console. And we're going to be setting up a domain. That domain is our pricedcamping.com. And we're just going to want the domain name.com. Click continue. And the ownership of our website has been verified through the setup of our analytics. So we can click on Go to Properties. And we can go through the wizard to see all of the different features. But what we're going to want to do is come back over to our website, and we're going to click on Set Up Search Console, and then we'll be brought to the next screen, which is Set Up Google Analytics. We'll click Next, and we'll be brought back in to our account, and we want to click Price or Site as the account, and then the property is going to be Priced Camping, all website data, and then it will ask us to also connect the GA4 account, which we can select right there. And then configure analytics. It says additional permissions required. We're going to click proceed. Ask us to sign into our account. And we'll click continue. And now it shows that we have successfully set up Google Analytics. So now we see that we've got Search Console and Analytics. Search Console is showing the correct property. Analytics is showing the correct property. Now, if we come back over here to our Search Console account, we'll want to click refresh. And then we'll want to come down here to sitemaps. We don't currently have a sitemap submitted. The sitemap is going to be how Google crawls all of the pages on our website. So we're going to need to come back in here to our dashboard and hover over SEO, and we'll go to sitemap settings. And the URL we have right here is going to be for the pricersite.com subdirectory. So what we're going to want to do is we're just going to want to copy this sitemap_index.xml. We can come back to our website right here and we can paste this onto the end. So we've got pricersite/sitemap_XML. That is going to bring up our XML sitemap that we want to submit to Google. Again, it's going to be your custom URL.com/sitemap_index.xml. And so we can come back over to Search Console and we want to submit this URL. And we get a confirmation message here that shows that our sitemap has been indexed. It takes Google a little while to crawl the sitemap and all of the web pages and for organic traffic to build up, but we have done what we need to do as far as submitting our site to Google.